there are also some nutritional benefits that I would want to share with you in today's video. If you are new to this channel, my name is Emmanuel, a licensed physician assistant by profession. Now, when we take egg, there are certain kind of nutrients, and these nutrients are being grouped into macronutrients and then micronutrients. So first of all, let us take the macronutrients. Now, in a single egg, it contains some form of protein, fat, and carbohydrates. Now, protein inside the body helps your body to be able to repair worn out tissues and muscles. That is why majority of bodybuilders, after they do their workout, they always resort to egg, because egg has that protein in order to build their muscle and then repair worn out tissue. Also, the fat in egg is very healthy, because we have different types of fats. There are healthy fat and then bad fat, and the kind of fat contained in egg is one of the healthy form of fat, and this fat can be broken down inside your body for you to get energy. And also, fat in egg can be able to help your body absorb some form of vitamins, and these form of vitamins include fat soluble vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and then vitamin K. Now, when we take the carbohydrates found in egg, which is very less than 1 gram, is able to help your body get energy. Now, for the micronutrients, it can be grouped into some form of minerals and also vitamins, because in an egg, it can be able to provide you to vitamin B12, vitamin D, vitamin B2, and other form of vitamins. And we also have iodine, selenium, and choline, which are also part of the micronutrient that an egg is able to provide. Now, for instance, when we take vitamin D, it helps your body to absorb calcium and phosphorus, and that helps with strong bones and teeth. And also, vitamin B12 is able to help your body synthesize red blood cells, nerve cells, and other crucial structures inside your body. So egg is very important for us. But the caution is, some people are abusing the intake. There are some people that they are able to take a minimum of 4 eggs a day or 5 eggs a day, and that is abuse. You see, when everything you do it in excess, it goes a long way to harm your body. Very good, but don't abuse it. It will go a long way to help you. 1 to 2 eggs a day is very good. If you find this video helpful, feel free subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video, and then share this video to many people. I am Emmanuel, a licensed physician assistant by profession. I'm giving my viewers the opportunity to recommend some topics that they would want me to make a video on. So if you actually want me to make a video on a specific topic, drop your comment in the comment section, and I will make sure that I make a video on such a topic for you. Subscribe to this channel for more videos.